there, for today's read aloud, we will be reading The Ninjabread Man. Okay, so before we begin reading, I want you to think back to what we talked about with characters and fiction, okay? So, characters, the people, animals, or things in a story. Don't forget the character traits. The way the outside is the physical, what you see, and the inside is the personality traits, the way the characters behave. Okay? So, outside, what they look like. Inside, the way they behave. Okay. So, before we begin reading, let's go ahead and make a prediction. Use the cover and the title, The Ninjabread Man. Not the gingerbread man, the Ninjabread Man. So go ahead and make a good prediction. All right, a few more times. Just pause the video. The Ninjabread Man. Look at the different characters. Okay. Oh, and there's another character right here. Snake. So far, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 characters. The Ninjabread Man. Once upon a time, there was a little old sensei who taught ninjas in a hidden dojo. So here are the ninjas, the sensei. Their group trained hard to be the strongest, fastest, smartest, and sneakiest ninjas in all the land. Sensei was very proud of his students. So proud that one night he made them a special treat, ninja bread. Ninja bread was an age-old recipe passed down from sensei to sensei. It took a lifetime to master. Once baked, the cookies contained many mysterious powers. They were also dangerously delicious. Sensei mixed the batter, rolled the dough, and shaped the ninja bread into a tiny sword and throwing stars. Then Sensei crafted a Ninjabread Man. Once done, he carefully placed the tray in the oven. So real quick, just by what I've been reading, do you think the story is fiction? Thumbs up or down? Yes, you're not going to be getting these. Yes, you're not going to be having animals making cookies and practicing how to be a ninja in a hidden dojo. No, and they're also acting and behaving like humans, so that's a good clue that the story is fiction. Finally, as Sensei opened the oven door to check on the ninja bread. Kapow! Out leaped the Ninjabread Man, alive and kicking. Sensei was surprised to hear the cookie speak. The time has come to test your students, and now they must try as best as they can. They can't beat me. I'm the Ninjabread Man. With a crack and a flash, the Ninjabread Man disappeared in a cloud of sugar dust. Sensei sounded the gong as a warning to his ninjas. Tonight they face the greatest challenge of their lives. So the Ninjabread Man is challenging Sensei's students. Ninja Bear was balancing on one finger when he heard the gong. Suddenly a sweet scent filled the night air. Danger was near. Do you think he smells the Ninjabread Man? Let's up or down. I think he might. Let's see what happens on the next page. With a crack and a flash, a cookie figure stood before him and announced, Try as best as you can. You can't beat me. I am the Ninjabread Man. I got past Sensei, escaped in the night, and I'll defeat you too. I can. Do you think the Ninjabread Man is going to defeat Ninja Bear? Okay, let's read to find out. Ninjabread Man, shouted Ninja Bear, you will make a mighty morsel. With a running roar, Ninja Bear charged, but the Ninjabread Man jumped out of the way and Ninja Bear lost his balance. Then with a bow, the Ninjabread Man escaped into the night. You see him bowing? "Come back!" yelled Ninja Bear, but the cookie had disappeared. Ninja Snake was throwing stars in the forest when she sensed Sensei's warning. The bamboo swayed in the wind. Danger was near. Suddenly, a cookie figure stood before her and announced, try as best as you can. You can't beat me. I'm the Ninjabread Man. I got past Sensei, escaped into the night. I dodged Ninja Bear in the pale of moonlight. And I'll defeat you too. I can. Uh-oh. Do you think Ninjabread Man is going to defeat Ninja Snake? Let's see. Ninjabread Man, hissed Ninja Snake, you will make a super snack. With a flick, swish, Ninja Snake launched her throwing stars. But the Ninjabread Man was too fast. He launched a cookie star ninja attack on his own. Then with a bow, the Ninjabread Man escaped into the night. Come back, yelled Ninja Snake, but the cookie had disappeared. Okay, next student, Ninja Mouse. Ninja Mouse was training with his sword when the warning gong rang. Ninja Mouse heard someone tiptoeing around. Danger was near. In the blink of an eye, a cookie figure stood before him and announced, try as best as you can. You can't beat me. I'm the Ninjabread Man. I got past Sensei, escaped in the night. I dodged Ninjabread in the pale of moonlight. I slipped past Ninja Snake in a throwing star fight, and I'll defeat you too. I can. Let's see what happens. Ninjabread Man, squeaked Ninja Mouse. You will make a nice nibble. Ninja Mouse sprang forward, but the Ninjabread Man tricked the mighty mouse. Then with a bow, the Ninjabread Man escaped into the night. Come back, yelled Ninja Mouse, but the cookie had disappeared. I think this is the last ninja student. Ninja Fox was sitting beside the great waterfall. He did not hear Sensei's warning. Ninja Fox gently hummed. I sense something dangerously delicious. Do you think he senses the Ninjabread Man? I think so too. Let's keep reading to find out. With a crack and a flash, a cookie figure stood before him and announced, try as best as you can. You can't beat me. I'm the Ninjabread Man. I got past Sensei, escaped in the night. I dodged Ninjabread in the pale moonlight. I slipped past Ninja Snake and made Ninja Mouse ache. And I'll outfox you too. I can. So I think this is the last ninja student. Let's make a prediction. Do you think Ninja Fox is going to defeat Ninjabread Man? Give you a moment to think about it, yes or no, and make a prediction. How's the story going to end? Because we're getting very close to the ending. All right, let's read to find out. I'm sorry, said Ninja Fox. I didn't hear you. What did you say? The Ninjabread Man stepped closer and repeated, try as best as you can. You can't beat me. I'm the Ninjabread Man. I got past Sensei, escaped in the night. I dodged Ninjabread in the pale moonlight. I slipped past Ninja Snake and made Ninja Mouse ache, and I'll outfox you. I can. I'm sorry, said Ninja Fox, pretending he could not hear the cookie. The waterfall is so loud. What did you say? Look at his face. He's being sneaky, isn't he? What do you think's going to happen? Look at his face. All right, let's keep reading and find out what happens. The Ninjabread Man took one final step closer. Look at the fox. Following one quick movement, a cloud of sugar dust covered Ninja Fox. You see the sugar dust? Ninja Bear, Ninja Snake, and Ninja Mouse came running out of the forest to find Ninja Fox. Was the Ninjabread Man gone? do you see the dust still on the fox's head? Far away in another hidden dojo, a little old sensei worked under the mystical moon, mixing, rolling, and shaping a Ninjabread Man. The end. The Ninjabread Man. Okay, so what I'd like to do is I'd like for you to take a moment and think back to the characters. To yourself, pick your favorite character. Ninja Bear, Ninja Fox, Ninja Mouse, Ninja Snake, or the Sensei, or Ninjabread Man. So take a moment, think of your favorite character and why. All right, if you need more time, pause the video. But on the next slide, the reading discussion, you're going to talk about your favorite character and why. All right, I hope you enjoyed today's read aloud, The Ninjabread Man.